welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today, I'm excited to show you this super cute style. This is Violet by Estetica, and the color on this one is ChromeRT1B. And I have always wanted to try Violet, and I never have, and I just think she is adorable. She's a cute, wavy bob, really, really sweet. Can't wait to tell you more about her in just a minute. Okay, let's start looking at really, really super cute Violet. I just love her. I think she's so cute. She's a bouncy, wavy, short bob. Super easy style. She's fitting my petite head really, really well. I don't think she's considered petite, but she's fitting almost like a petite. But the great thing about Estetica wigs is they have a lot of stretch. So I do feel confident that she'll accommodate, larger head sizes. So let me do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So here's the front. So cute. I love the way the hair, little hair in my mouth, is, just laying across the forehead. Very cute. Okay, here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so Violet is a lace front with a left side monopart. So, this color has an off black root. So you can see those knots somewhat, but the way the hair hangs, you really don't see the lace front unless you pull it off. But honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. So, and so here's the part. Looks really good and goes back to the crown, which is really nice. Ear tabs. Now see, this is where I'm saying that it almost fits like a petite, because I actually have a little space, under the ear tabs, which is fine. But, I've got good coverage around the face and everything. So if you have this wig and you do have a larger head circumference, chime in the comments and let us know how it fits you or what your experience has been with it, because she's been out for a while. So really, really cute. Okay, so measurement-wise for Violet, she is 8 inches here in the front. Her sides are 8 inches. She is 11 inches from the crown back here. And her nape is 4.25 inches. So she just has a short nape. She's an easy style, great style for summer, I would say. So I'll take her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. So here's that part up close. Really nice. So here's that left mono part. It doesn't, it has the appearance of going all the way back to the crown, but it's not like one of those that, goes all the way back to this line, but it goes back plenty far, which is nice. So she's got a lace front. She's got closed lace here. I'm not feeling a ton of permatease. I know there's some permatease in this wig at the nape and stuff like that, but not a lot of permatease. She's got soft ear tabs, plenty of hair for off the face styling, open wefted all through the cap, extended open wefted nape, hook adjusters, and plenty of stretch. So I think this will accommodate a lot of head sizes. I was just concerned about the ear to ear. So that's what I'm talking about. If you can chime in on that, if you do have a larger than average head size, that would be helpful. Okay, well look at this color. But I do want to say, as far as that, what I'm talking about the way the wig is fitting me, it could just be this wig. I mean, it is not unusual at all to see variances in these wigs. I'm sure that you've probably experienced that in your wig journey. I've experienced it. So it could just be that this one, the cap is just a little bit smaller on it. So just something to note. Okay, so let's look at this beautiful color. This is ChromeRT1B. Beautiful, beautiful gray, rooted. It's a fabulous color. So it says it is gray and white with 25% medium brown blend with off black roots. So you do have an off black, a 1B root. That's something to note. If you don't like a really dark root, just be aware of that. You're going to see that rooting all over the wig, no matter where you separate the hair. So if you, style the wig, put a headband in, whatever, you're going to see that rooting there. You're going to see it all around the face. You're going to see it around the nape. So here's the color with just the room light. All my bright lights are off. Takes that shine away. The whites, the grays, they reflect the lighting. So just to show you without those lights on. Okay, we checked out that beautiful color. Let's look at glasses and styling and all that good stuff. So glasses are easy with her, especially with this little space that I have under the ear tab. So, but it's just, you know, they're just sitting right at my ear. So easy. So your sunglasses, whatever. I would, you know, might opt to just go like this with the glasses just because of the curls. Just a little bit easier. Okay, so these grays always look cute with the leopard headband. Estetica does a great job with these pretty little curls right by your face. I love these styles of theirs where the bang, you know, swoops over the forehead. Let's see, she's got enough length to go back half up, half down, but some of this is gonna fall down. So I say, just let it. It looks pretty, you know? So just let it fall down. She's not, you know, a ponytail wig or updo wig or anything like that. No, there wouldn't be anything there. But, you know, she is cute like that. Or you could just, you know, pin her right behind the ear if you wanted to. If you wanted to get more, you know, if you wanted to be able to get a hold of more of this hair and keep it pinned back, you could just do that too. Cute. And then, of course, with this lace front, you can just pull her off, you know, the face like that. She looks really, really cute. Okay, thank you to Pinky Promise for supplying this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.